Okay, can I at least point out why I'm drawing someone who looks like Goku? Sorry, that just slipped out. Anyways, in this video we're gonna draw another Masked Saiyan, which I don't believe is Goku Black. Well, actually, I think his label is Xeno Goku Black, but I don't think it is Goku Black at all. Just a guy who looks like Goku, and a guy who has the power of Super Saiyan Rose. Anyways, I don't know how he ended up in Dark Lord Fu's universe, but something about him seems horrible. Something seems off. Let's just hope he doesn't cause any more trouble. The point is, I saw him back in when I was watching the Big Bang Mission, and well, we saw a few clips about him. He likes watching people fight, and he was the one who infected Frieza and Cooler. I mean, Golden Frieza and Golden Metal Cooler, making him be possessed by the Dark Dragon Balls. And in the second episode, when Vegeta was fighting against Turles and Cumber, actually his name is Turles. Yeah, sorry about that. Anyways, the second time we saw this Masked Saiyan, he transformed into Super Saiyan Rose. At least I think that's what it's called. And we saw part of his eye, revealing part of his face. And, well, he said his name was Goku, and Goku claims him to be Goku Black, but I didn't believe it at all. There's no way in a million years that this guy is Goku Black. And, and for you viewers at home to understand why I don't believe this is Goku Black, make sure to go to the comments section below and admit your comments and show everyone that this guy is not Goku Black at all. There we go. And just for a quick reminder, I am wearing Super Saiyan Rose t-shirt in the background. After this video is done, I'll show you that I was wearing it. There we go. Now we just draw this mark here. He's got arm pads like Hearts did. Even if he was Zamasu, I don't even know how Goku Black and the future Zamasu managed to split. It might have something to do with Heart's using his power against him, like dissolving him. Like he said he was going to destroy all the gods. Can't really see from here. Oh wait, now I get it. There we go. Okay, next we draw the thumb. Now we just draw the dark dragon ball in his hand. There we go. And there we go. That's how you draw Xeno Goku Black. Or not. Alright, can somebody please tell me who the heck this guy is? Because seriously, guys, I do not believe that this man is Goku Black. Seriously. Just because he has Super Saiyan Rose doesn't mean that he's got Goku Black's actual powers. Open your eyes, people! Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below on what character I should draw next. And Stegosaurus, see you later.